Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days have been very, very nice for this one, so definitely want to get some updates here made from a support and resistance standpoint. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. The initial area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that's at 0.021. So if the price does fall below it, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But as far as the chart looking the healthiest, definitely if the price can stay up above 0.021, that would be a very big sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at 0.018. So 0.021, 0.018, two nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there. I realize this purple line is way down there. The price closed way up there, but that is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And the very simplistic way to look at this is that as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, full health, however you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. Key level is just where the party stopped today, and that's up there at 0.0245. Reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidation, building higher bases, because as this chart has already shown, as long as the chart is building higher bases, putting in those higher lows, the long-term chart has continued to take care of itself. So at the end of the day, sure, breaking levels of resistance are nice, but if tomorrow it doesn't break resistance, by no means is that a bad day. It's all about building those higher bases, and again, as long as the price continues to do that, that's what you want to see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.